feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders backing down. So imagine the string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Reach the right arm up towards the sky, left hand on the thigh. Inhale, exhale gently to the side. Swapping the arms. Inhale, lengthen first. Exhale, over to the side. Swap the arms. Make sure you come back to the middle. Inhale, exhale a little bit further if it feels okay. Inhale, exhale. And one more each side. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, over, and swap, inhale, and exhale, and coming back to the middle. And just roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. Now have the arms behind, either holding the elbows or if you can, do the reverse prayer. And then just roll the left shoulder back. And then the right shoulder. If this feels too uncomfortable, then just go back to the normal shoulder rolls. And left one forward. And right forward. Both backwards. And both forwards. And then just swing the arms, swapping over. And if you can, clap the hands behind. But remember, only go as far as feels comfortable for you. So working on the balance, I'm going to bring that left leg up. So the knees bent, thighs parallel. So squeeze the belly button in, find that focus point, something still to stare at. Just lengthen through the spine, and breathe. So onto the other side, and bring that right leg up. So if that seemed quite easy, we're going to work on a balance called cross crawl. So we bring the left leg up first. I'm going to take the right hand to the outside of the knee. And just hold there. And if you get the balance, twist at the waist. And if you're steady there, bring the arm up, palm facing forwards. And if you balance there, see if you can look to that back hand. So just try it step by step to see where you get to. And we'll work on the other side. And bring the leg up. And take the opposite hand to the outside of the knee. And twist at the waist towards the bent leg. And bring the arm up, arm facing forwards. And we look to that back hand. So we'll try that again on each side. bringing that leg up. Inhale, exhale, take the hand to the knee. Inhale, exhale, twist at the waist. Inhale, exhale, bring the arm up. Inhale, if you can, and look to the back hand. And the other side. Inhale, exhale, hand to the knee. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, lift the arm. Inhale, look to the hand. Okay, standing pose, extended side angle. So you've got that left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled, and then a good bend in that front knee. So we're looking for that line from the heel to the back arch. Body facing forwards. And just come in sideways. So if you can, placing the forearm on the thigh. And if it feels comfortable for you, you can lift up that right arm and bring it diagonally across the head. Just remember to breathe. You're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. So if you've got the balance, you can look up to the sky. But if that strains the neck, then just keep looking forwards. And come on up and do the other side. So just turn the feet around. The right foot's 90 degrees. That knee's tracking in line with the toes. So hips and shoulders in line. And just moving sideways. Bring that forearm to the thigh. And once you're steady, bringing that left arm up and across. So again, just all in your own time, to wherever you get to. So if you want to, you can look up to the sky and breathe. Back up. Finish with that good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down. String from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath at the lower hand. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. See if you can feel that heartbeat. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.